The year was 2013 and I was just out of college looking for my first job. So I did a lot. I did what a lot of new graduates did. I looked one for paid well. My rent and student loans weren't going to pay themselves. And after a brief search, I found a job paying $35,000. But not long after I started, I took a long, hard look at my situation. And I looked at the company's inner workings and mapped out where I wanted to go. And it calculated exactly how long it would take for me to get there. And according to my calculations, everything that I went to plan perfectly, it would take me 5 years to get where I wanted to be. 5 damn years. And that's longer than all of college, which I thought to myself, that's not great. So I quickly decided that wasn't fast enough. So I did what every person who's ambitious that would want to do. I quit my job to look for another. And at the time I was living on my friend Adam's couch, and he gave me the following sage advice. He was like, Josh, probably shouldn't have quit your job till you have another one, especially since I had to pay him $250 a month for me to sleep on his couch or something along those lines. And he was right. But I just knew that I was going to get the next position I applied for, which ended up being a financial advisor position, which I actually didn't know was a sales job. And during the interview, they asked me, so how competitive are you? And I said, I would cheat in a game of Monopoly against my grandma to win. And I got the job. Now, I'm not condoning cheating to get ahead in life, but what I told them is I was willing to do whatever it took to be successful. And they liked what they heard. Within 8 months, I went from making 40,000. So I went from 35 to 40,000 to making over $150,000 a year plus bonuses. And when I got that bonus and I got those raises and I got promoted to the next position, there was some sort of initiation phase to the newcomers. And they told me I need to buy breakfast to the team. I was like, no. I'm not going to buy you breakfast. You're going to buy me breakfast. And my approach may have seemed arrogant, but it's not. The truth is, if you really want something, you need to go in 1,000%. No second guessing yourself, no thinking, what if I fail? When it comes down to it, there is no failing because failure isn't an option. Not now, not today, not ever.